Hello friends, welcome to my channel Rita's Cooking Diaries. I just want to share a small breakfast recipe and also few moments here and there. Hope you'll enjoy it. I start my day always with lime and honey. I was making sprouted chickpeas for the breakfast. So for that I took onion, green chilies, and I used a small pressure cooker. So once the pressure cooker was hot, then I added some oil to it and then added some chopped onions and green chilies once it was ready. And then I added some ginger garlic paste which I made at home. I also added some turmeric powder to that. And once it was getting ready, I added the sprouted seeds along with tomatoes and stirred it well. And then I added red chili powder to that. Also coriander powder and some salt to taste. Depends on how much you need. I also added some dry meaty leaves. It gives a special flavor. And then water as per the requirement. In the meanwhile, when it was getting ready, I just closed the pressure cooker lid and let it for some time. So now we'll mix the atta. I normally add this flax seeds, sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds together. I make a powder and keep it here. So I add 2 spoons of them into this atta and then mix it. In the meanwhile, our curry was getting ready. So I had to check it and then yes, it was already done. So we now took it into before taking into the serving bowl, I wanted to add a little bit of chaat masala. I used the ready-made one which was available in the nearest store. And if you want, you can add some lime juice and also some onions to it as per your taste. And then take it into the serving bowl. Also garnished it with some coriander leaves. In the meanwhile, I was making my rotis in the cast iron pan. I seasoned it with a little bit of oil and then made some rotis. I made regular rotis for myself and my husband and ghee roti for my son. So our breakfast with roti and chickpeas curry was done. And after our breakfast, without wasting any time, we just went to a mall nearby because we had to do some shopping for my son as his schools were opening from next week onwards. As you can see here in the malls, it's really a nice thing. We get everything under one roof. So we quickly went into a stationery shop and then he chose whatever he wanted to have. Even I took some writing pads and writing material for myself. I always peep into the flower shop to see any new varieties are available, and I keep changing and then buying new flowers with pots. Without spending much time at the mall, we returned home And after coming, I made some sweet potatoes roast. I just boiled them in the microwave for some time and then roasted it with little ghee in the pan. And then I made some black tea for myself and my husband. That was the normal black tea, but then I added a little bit of jaggery to it instead of adding sugar. These days, if I have second time tea, I do prefer having it with jaggery. It's really refreshing and healthy, and it also tastes well. This was a short glimpse, a sneak peek into my morning routine. So if you did like my videos, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like my video. Thank you.